So today we're going to demonstrate relative motion using paper airplanes. First, I'll ask these three gentlemen to just do a practice run. So Lon, just throw your plane. Try to throw it right in front of me. That reminds me of the commercial with the balloons. That's okay. Okay, Connor. That's okay. It's just a trial run. No marks for this. Okay, Thomas, the birthday boy. Okay, pick up your planes. And now we're going to introduce 얘들아, 잘 들어. Everybody, listen carefully. Now we're going to introduce the wind. So who was first the last time? Okay, Long. So as the plane's flying by, I'm going to produce a wind. I'm going to blow it off course. Okay, go. Okay, who was next? Okay, Connor. Tom? He's perfecting his airplane. Did you see the effect of the wind?
No.
No, you're being honest. Whoever said yes, you're lying. So we're going to have to improve this. Guys, get your airplanes. Keep filming there, Jim. What we need, guys, you ever watch Home Improvement?
Yes.
Yeah. What we need is more power. More power. And also, well, we'll do it twice. Okay, so. Okay, low, medium, high. Okay, Lon, you were first. Try to throw the plane right here. Who's next?
Yeah. Oh, that was dangerous.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
1 out of 3? Okay, get your planes. We're going to do this a little better. The planes have, sideways they have very little surface area. But from the top or the bottom, there's a lot of surface area. So we'll blow the wind up. Yeah. Okay, Long?
You need to bring it closer so we can actually see. Yeah, we should like toss it.
That was poor, guys. My fault. Let's do it again.
Maybe you should move it this way because you keep missing.
Okay.
Maybe we should move up to the normal.
Yeah.
Like this
I need an extra hand here. Can you undo that, Connor? There we go.